Hello everyone. I would like to explain some feature of Projectlibre software, such as how calendar does work in this software after you create new project. As you can see in this page, it is my task table and task chart. First, you go to the file and file section, click on calendar. In this feature, we can choose a standard type. And also we can adjust calendar based on three types such as use default, non-working time, non-default working time. So you can adjust calendar based on the project schedule. As you can see, a standard calendar has a 2 days, Saturday and Sunday as a non-working time. For adjust calendar, you can click on Saturday and hold Sunday. Then choose non-working and non-default working time, and finally click on OK. As a result, you can see a standard calendar adjust. In the calendar feature, you can adjust work hours. You can change the work hours. You can change it instead of 8 to 9 and 14 to 17 instead of 13. If you would like to change another day as a non-working time, you can click if you want to work you can click on Friday, then you choose non-working time, then press OK. As you can see, the Friday change as a non-working time, and also the work hours change. And also, if you can click on options, new page in this screen open. You can set work hours of the project. You can determine how many hours does this project work per day, how many hours does this project work per week, how many days does this project work per month. You can adjust it and then press OK. Furthermore, you can create new calendar for every project. This software has a facility to create new calendar based on your project. You press in new, then you write calendar name. I write University Canada West 1. Then press OK. Here you can see the new calendar, the name of calendar. You can change this new calendar based on project schedule. Also, when you go to task chart, you go to task chart, you can determine which calendar used for every task. You can go to task 2, double click task information table, and then you can go to advanced. You can change the task calendar to University Canada West 1, then close. You can select which calendar is appropriate for this task. Another important feature in this software is resources feature. As you know, resource play significant role in every project. First, you have to know more about who works in this project, how many hours, which material used in this project. So we can click on resource section and resources table. As you can see in this table, you can enter the name of employee of project, and you can set a suitable feature for as a work or material. Then you can enter their information in these charts, such as email address, group name. You can define max unit. If employee work as 8 hours in a day, you can choose 100. Then you determine a standard rate. You can adjust it. In the overtime rate, if employee work more than 8 hours in the day, so you can determine overtime the rate for them. Moreover, you can select proper calendar for everyone as a standard University Canada West or 24 hours. I choose University, this one. I would like to explain about task information. Here, you can choose who works in the task information, with which material or machinery. You go to task chart and click in a specific task to access to task information, and then press resources here. Then you can determine which person, which material or machinery, how many percentage involved. You can assign resource from here. Then you can select resource usage with the details in this area, like a Jasmine, assign raw material. Yeah, let's add in this section. And in the chart you can see Jasmine meter. Finally, I would like to explain how you access to final useful report and chart. First, you go to view section. If you click in network, you can access to network of project. You can click on WBS, and you can see your access to work breakdown structure. I want to sometimes you can see more. When you click in reports in this area, you can see project report. Project, briefly explain about the chart information of project. If you click in RBS, you can access to resource breakdown structure, and you can go to